Today, I'll show you how to sort by category in Microsoft To Do. If you use categories to label your tasks like urgent, follow-up, or project names, grouping by category gives you a clean, at-a-glance view of what needs your attention. By the end, you'll have your tasks neatly organized into sections that mirror the categories you already use. First, open the specific list you want to organize. This could be your main tasks list, a dedicated work list, or the planned smart list if you prefer to focus on what's coming up. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place, because the grouping applies to the list you're currently viewing. If you manage multiple lists for different areas of your life, choose the one where categories will make the biggest impact. It's also worth noting that categories work best when your tasks already have categories assigned to them. If some tasks don't have one, they'll still show up, just grouped under no category. That way, nothing disappears. You'll simply see what's categorized and what isn't. Next, look to the top right corner of your Microsoft To Do window or app for the sort icon. It's typically a small button that looks like 3 staggered lines or arrows. On some screens, it might be labeled Sort, while on others, it's just the icon. Give that a click or tap. This opens a compact menu that controls how your list is arranged. You may see options related to sorting by due date or importance, but what we want here is the option that changes the visual layout from a single stream into organized sections. From the menu that appears, choose Group by Category. The moment you select it, your list will automatically rearrange into tidy, collapsible groups, one for each category you've used on that list. It's a simple change, but it's powerful. You'll see categories as clear headers, each with the tasks that match them. If you've been diligent about tagging items, this view can transform a cluttered list into a structured plan, making it easy to move through one category at a time. Tasks without any category are grouped together as well, so you can spot them quickly and decide whether to keep them uncategorized or assign something later. A few helpful pointers as you use this view. Grouping by category doesn't change the content of your tasks, it just changes how they're displayed. You can collapse a category group to reduce visual noise and expand it when you're ready to focus there. If you're working with a connected work or school account, your categories may match the ones you use in Outlook, which keeps everything consistent across apps. If you don't see group by category in the menu, it could be that your tasks don't use categories yet, or the feature isn't available in the specific context you're in. Updating the app or switching to another list can help you confirm what's supported. That's all it takes. Open the list you want, click the sort icon, and select Group by Category. With just those few clicks, your tasks become easier to scan, prioritize, and complete one category at a time.